Hey, Andy,
Kevin,
how
it's
you
great.
doing?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you? How are you? Look, it's great to be with you today. We're going to have a good chat about Genie, why it matters, why it represents such a significant change for at least software QA, but really for any organization building, creating applications. I think one of the things many CIOs are aware of, but broader executives aren't aware of, is just how much software is developed in a medium to large enterprise. So maybe we start there for a second. Give us a sense when you're looking at undertaking software QA efforts. Are we talking 10 apps, hundreds of apps, thousands of apps in a typical large enterprise?
That's a great question. I think people don't think about it this way. When we talk to a lot of people in the industry, what they're thinking about is, I've got this new application under development and I will have to test it. And it turns out in a large application, the number of new applications under development is way less than 1% of their total application pile. Right. So a large bank or insurance company or pharmaceutical, et cetera, will have somewhere between 5,000 and 15,000 applications
Yeah, that's incredible.
that they manage on a regular basis, that they update on a regular basis. And so people say, well, we don't really update it. Really? Did you change out some of the stack for security reasons? Yes. Did you have to do regression testing on the application after that? Well, yes. How many regression tests do you have? Well, 5,000. How did you do them? Well, we have a team of 50 people and they did them all manually. And you go, oh my goodness, when's the next time you will change that stack? Oh, in 4 weeks, because there's this new update and patch or whatever. And so now you're looking at companies that are spending hundreds of millions of dollars maintaining those applications. And so it's not necessarily the dev team that's there doing that, right? Were developed long ago. And still they may be adding some features. So dev may be a little bit involved, but the vast majority of testing of SQA, right? Software quality assurance that happens in the industry is to your existing applications behind the firewall. It's not to your website and it's not to the 5 new applications you're doing this year. It's to the 5,000 that are sitting there that are constantly getting updated and maintained.